So we were supposed to go do our nature walk, and it started raining. So I'm heading home, and I guess hopefully another day we can get to go walk. Are you sad, Lindy Boy?
Yeah, I'm pretty sad. But we can also go to the one that's near home.
Will you be okay?
Yeah, I guess.
I think so too.
I really want.
Day 2 of the vloggers challenge. And me alone I call it so. Alright. So it's day 2 of the challenge, and it's supposed to be no on a day 2 or the nature walk a day 3. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. We are going to do the nature walk today. I hope you stay for the entire video. I hope you enjoy as we continue this vlog, because it has not been easy. To the amazing content creators who are going along this journey with me, I just want you to know that I truly respect, love, and appreciate y'all, because it is a lot of work, but we're having fun, and teamwork is definitely causing a dream to work. So my hats off to all of you right now. My love you. Don't stop grinding, don't stop pushing. Y'all making this possible, and me can't do without you. So I know say I'm back in the forest may I go, because there is my place to be. When I say nature, all I can think about is just being in the forest. Remember say if you're not ready for come along with me, make us see what I go on now. So here somebody come around the corner and I see this guy in the middle of the road. I mean like I want go on, so I slow down. I say I want go on, him say I want turtle. By the time I stop to see the turtle, the brother yeah, run over the turtle.
Bro.
That
Bust
vehicle
the turtle,
just
you know.
ran
See
over
him
the
there?
turtle that was in the road. Yeah. Why am I gonna know if I say was a great start, you know, cause I just witnessed a death out in nature already. Something woman never even planned for. It's day 2 of the vloggers challenge. And me alone I call it so. Alright. So it's day 2 of the challenge, and it's supposed to be no on a day 2 or the nature walk a day 3.
It's well.
So it's the day of our nature walk, and who remember right here? So you remember some months ago I came out here, was like, oh, I can't believe the forest is not open. Well, I came back today in the forest for my nature walk. However, it's going to be a walk and play, and it's kind of raining, so let's see how they feel about going on the slides, if it's wet and stuff like that. Lindy was saying no, but Zayla, you want to go slide?
Yeah, I ain't gonna
Zayla wants to slide. You're gonna cross the river? Go across the river, Zayla. Yeah, go across the river. You want to jump in muddy puddles?
Can we jump?
No. Go. Go across the river quickly. Quickly before the tides change. Good job. Hold on to our hand, Lindy way. I'm gonna ask you for hold our hand, man.
Oh, it's fun. You should try playing. It's always good to try something new. Come on. So, cross. Hey, you don't know where you're going. Across the river.
Yeah, you crossed the river. Good job. Lindy way, please don't go too far ahead. Good job crossing the river.
How do you think it's
You did good. That's a spooky river?
Yeah, it is. No, there could even be a little bit of fishing. Of course, there was no fishing, but I'm just saying. What if somebody dropped some of the fishing?
You must tell yourself that. Alright, so we out in the forest taking our nature walk, and yeah, I don't know why me choose to come out in the forest to take nature walk. I know say me you watch so much criminal show. Anyways, but in this are the scariest parts of the forest. But she stopped but she look for bird. What are you using? Where are the binoculars?
Binoculars. The phone looks real close.
Say something for the camera, Zayla.
So
You're so cute.
Nature. Do I think somebody has been here? Could you see how the two parts are carved out like cars have been here?
Maybe not cars,
But somebody.
but yeah.
Somebody carved them out. So I'm just saying. Somebody has been down here before. Splash. Stop splashing.
Are you enjoying this nature walk?
Yeah. Hold on. Here's something to make it a little bit scarier.
Why you want it to be scarier?
What would you do if somebody was actually creeping up behind us?
If someone was creeping up behind us?
Running towards us, what would you do?
From both ways or one way? From one direction?
Yeah, one direction.
So if someone, the vehicle is that way, so if someone is running from that direction, then I'll run towards the vehicle. But if somebody is coming from the direction of the vehicle, which is the direction we're going now,
We should run them off and go another way.
run go more in a more woodland. So yes, we must run go deeper in the woods. No, girl, if you're going towards the vehicle, you see someone like danger coming from here, from the direction of your vehicle. You don't say some are going over there saying. So if you're going towards your vehicle and it look like danger lurking coming from the direction of your vehicle, girl, you're gonna run go deeper into the woods.
No, stay close to the sides.
Stay close to the sides, deeper into the woods, and suppose somebody there behind one of them trees there. I wait for you.
So
Then what? So
you
if I'm going towards the vehicle and somebody come in, I would probably continue going close to the vehicle. If I don't see them have any weapon in them hand or whatever, I'm checking my surroundings to see what can I use as a weapon. You get what I say? Yeah, that's the first thing I think. May I look for a piece of wood? May I look for a piece of branch? May I look for a piece of one stone? May I look for something? Because I'm not going to start a scary movie when I don't even have a cast. But don't even have a cast in the woods, girl. Come.
You mean like somebody to video you?
Yeah, what color is that flower, Zayla?
Hello?
That flower is yellow. Let me see.
But mommy, are you very scared? But mommy, what if this person you can't curve?
Hey Zayla, look at mommy. You're gonna use Krav Maga? She said she's gonna use Krav Maga.
Elbow one. Give him an elbow one. Or remember, they might not have teach me this in Krav. They might not have teach me. Look at her getting mud all over her pants.
You getting mud on your pants there?
No.
She's having so much fun. Yeah, her.
Yeah, and mama.
But how much more better than this can it get?
Who knows?
On the nature walk.
Who knows?
You say who knows? Yeah. So put her on the inside, please. And then you stay closer. Right. So as I was saying, because we had to get off the trail just now, right?
Yeah.
But if I'm out on a trail and I see danger coming my way, I'm not going to run deeper in the woods. Leave your comment. Let me know what would you do, because me know say me not going to the woods. I'll be looking for a weapon of some sort. That is what I would be doing. Looking for a weapon of some sort, like what if I have to defend myself. But I'm going to continue in the direction of my vehicle, because there is where I know safety is.
Mama, look
I
at
don't know
that
if it
big
makes sense
stone.
to you,
Mama,
but
turn right. You would use that stone and bust up their head.
I mean, if me have to use the stone, and if me see the stone when needed, I gotta use the stone. That way I feel like, me not start no scary movie out here.
Mama, did you show them the stone?
You have to hold her hand,
Oh,
mama.
there's a car coming. Who's in the car?
Hey, if you want scary movie, you know, I watch a lot of scary movie, y'all. So you know, this is the end of my nature walk. Once someone come out in the woods, asking you where the trail goes. That's a wrap. Out by the lake. See? That's what my shirt says too. Say life by the lake, right?
Yeah.
No, we're not feeding any ducks.
Any ducks?
No, we're not. We're not gonna feed them. Why? Why we shouldn't feed them?
Because.
We saw that sign already, right?
Yeah.
And it said not to feed them.
Yeah.
And what else we shouldn't do?
No skating.
No skating. What else?
No swimming.
No swimming.
No swimming.
What you gotta do when you're walking? You gotta look. Don't say it, but we gotta look.
For poop.
She still said it. Alright. So yeah, so you just make sure that you don't step in it. Ooh, we have a playground over here. So far ahead she is.
No riding, no skating, and no swimming.
And no boating and no drinking.
And no drinking.
Right.
No swings.
No swings? There has to be some swinging. Look at this one. Wasn't it a wise idea to take your boots?
Yeah, because I still want
No, Zayla, you're Zayla. The swing that you can use is over there. Let's go over the other side.
Front of mommy. Do you think Zella could sit on you, Mama?
Nope, I don't want her sitting on me. You push your mommy?
I'm coming with you.
We got some time to just enjoy the outdoors and you know, don't stifle that child within you. I hope you got some time to go outside and have fun on a nature walk, because I sure did. Until next time, let's keep it classy. Bye.